In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shapes in Miro, whether you're working on a collaborative project or simply fleshing out your ideas visually. Learning to add shapes in Miro can significantly enhance your creative process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Miro's website by typing miro.com into your web browser. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner and you'll see the login button. Give that a click. Now at this point you'll need to log into your Miro account. You have the option of signing in with either your email or your Google account. Choose whichever method works best for you and follow the prompts to sign in securely. For those opting to use an email, go ahead and click continue with email. This ensures that you're logged in and ready to access all the features Miro has to offer. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Locate the board where you want to add shapes by clicking on it. This action will open up your board, giving you a clean canvas to start adding shapes. Now turn your attention to the left hand side of your screen. There you'll spot the shapes and lines icon. Click on it to reveal a variety of shapes you can add to your board. This tool is essential for creating diagrams or simply organizing your thoughts visually. From here you'll see a selection of shapes like circles, squares and more. Click on a shape you want to use, then drag it onto your board. This is how you begin populating your canvas with shapes. You can repeat this process multiple times. Each time you want to add a new shape, just click, drag and drop it onto the board. Occasionally you might want to connect shapes, especially if you're creating flowcharts or diagrams. Click on a shape you've added, you'll spot a blue dot. Click and drag from the blue dot to another shape to create a connection. This feature is perfect for constructing pathways and linked processes. Sometimes you may find yourself needing multiple copies of the same shape. To achieve this, click on the shape you wish to duplicate. Above the shape, a few options including 3 dots will appear. Click these 3 dots and then select duplicate. This will create an identical copy of the shape, which you can then drag into place on your board. Using this method can save you time if you need several of the same elements. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll master the art of adding and connecting shapes in Miro, enabling you to bring your projects to life visually. Thank you for watching and happy designing.